Welcome Divya and Shashank to INS. It's an absolute pleasure to have you on board with us today.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Firstly, talking about the show, I've seen the trailer, though I'm yet to see the show. I've seen the trailer and it absolutely looks very intriguing, also very, very sensitive, very power pack, if I could put it in one adjective. Firstly, this question is for you, sir. What made you ये show हम करते हैं या ये topic को हम छूते हैं? क्योंकि आजकल sensitive topic को छूना is like कि दूर ही रहते हैं. कब क्या controversy हो जाए किस चीज़ पे? So what made you choose this show? Is there any personal मतलब कुछ है ऐसा anecdote?
So first of all, thank you for liking the trailer. That was the intention that people like it, and as you said, impactful. The idea was very simple to me. Divinidhi Sharma with the production house SVF, they called me and they told me that there is a story, and then Divinidhi Sharma told me the script, the story flow. And when I heard it, I thought, okay, I as a director, you are very fortunate to get a topic which is not generally discussed, And when I got this opportunity, I took this like a blessing. And the idea was to just make a show, tell a story, as we all want to tell a story, where we just raise a question and start some discussion. There was nothing like, in our mind which was about, whether it's controversial or whatever. That was not in our mind. The whole idea was to tell a story in the most honest form. So I think I would say I was blessed to get a story like this to tell with the entire team. So yeah.
Okay, and if I may ask you कि जब आपके पास ये project आया, what made you like firstly when you read the script and heard the narration and all of that, was it like कि I have to, I see myself in this role? Was it that, or did you take your own time? And if yes, what made you come on board?
So I'm very instinctive. I've never taken my time ever. It's either a straight no or a straight yes. And because you know something that you're going to either learn something from, or it's going to add something to your journey, or it's going to really make you jump up. This one did all three. I remember I went to hear the story and I thought मुझे एक normal narration मिलेगा, but the writer sat there with his laptop, and when he finished the 6 episodes, I didn't get to know. And I was just looking at him dazed. And he said, so? I said, so? He says, आप करेंगी? I said, of course करूँगी. Because why would anyone say no to something as amazing as this? I think these are stories that are very close to our hearts, that are happening somewhere around us, that need a little voice, that need to be told, and told in a way that you feel it's one of your stories or somewhere around happening around. तो ये जो विजुअल मीडियम में इतनी खूबसूरत इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग कहानियाँ कही जाती हैं, अगर आप उसका हिस्सा ना बने तो फिर कोई बात नहीं है. So I think I had all the reasons to say yes, and even as an actor, I think I'm a bloody greedy actor, and I think they've made me do practically everything, right from action sequences to dance to doing the most amazing scenes that I think I will take back as one of my finest experiences.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This question is for you, sir. जब आपने when this project came to you, right? What made you feel that Divya ma'am is absolutely an apt, should be the perfect suit for this role?
So it's a very good question you asked. Very interesting question. I'll tell you why. Is because when I was, in all honesty, when I was told about this project, I think no one else was fixed apart from Divyaji. They had in their mind that Divyaji is going to do it. And then I met her, in a very different avatar at a restaurant where, she was hosting all of us, and very different from what Kamlesh is. Okay, I met her, and obviously there is no doubt, because when you have a good actor, then there is no doubt about, whether he or she will do it or not. So there was never that doubt in my mind at all. In fact, I was very happy that I'm getting to learn and meet an actor of this caliber, so that, it's always give and take. So I take back that. I take back a lot of learnings of, an actor prepares, how the actor gets into the mood and everything. And I'm not saying because we're sitting together, it's genuine, and as far as this project is concerned, all the actors, you have Sanjay sir, you have Sarita ji, you have her, and there's so many. So I'm saying that when they told me, I said, fine, good. Now, you won't believe, and this is a fact, and I hope Divinidhi Sharma was here. We were sitting, and we did the look test. So we said, "Ha, nice, you know, Kamlesh." We did the first scene, and you won't believe from the first scene to the last day of the shoot, internally, which we've never spoken to her about, we said, "Okay, who else would do Kamlesh?" And we didn't have a name. And I'm not joking. I mean, this is like, I you know, on my heart, I promise, we couldn't find. So I think this role chose her.
I'm so honored.
You know,
for that.
I
Thank you.
feel that because we didn't have a name, and generally we didn't have a name. You know, not that if we had, I would have said no. You know, there were no name because she just took up Kamlesh and made it hers. And it was like sometimes, you know, the writers, you know, they write keeping an actor in mind. I think it was that magic which happened. So yeah, so there was, I mean, that's the thing.
Okay, so ma'am, this question is for you that, you know, as an actor, when you actually fit into the shoes or step into the shoes of a particular brooding character or very emotionally tough character, right? How easy or difficult is it, or rather how difficult is it to snap back out of it and get back to normal? Because it's not easy. Negative characters also, I'm sure it's a very tough genre. As well as such power-packed acting जब होती है, जब आपको पता है कि ये सराउंडिंग में ये है, ये रियल स्टोरी है, उसमें what goes in your mind as an actor and how difficult is it to get back to normal?
First of all, the first day of shoot, you have to really give yourself out. Stay there at the monitor, sit with the director and the writer, and you, as Kamlesh, enter the set. That has to be. You have to absolutely give yourself there. And I think the good thing was about Kamlesh was that it's a complete role in a way that you also have lighter scenes with her. You also have very endearing, very sweet, innocent scenes with her. And I think this is a story of every woman's life where life teaches you. Experiences teach you what come your way and which way should you take, which is the right way. So I think this journey kind of with Kamlesh was a very, very enlightening journey for me. There were scenes that really left me absolutely, what do you say, shaken. Because likhe bahut sundar hai, and the way they were directed, the way they were executed, and the way the actors with me would, you know, take them all up. Sometimes you don't know what just happened. कुछ scenes आपके साथ वापस चले जाते हैं और उनको आप जितना भी कहें मैं snap out कर गई नहीं कर पाते. So yeah, I think Kamlesh is one such character which stayed with me for a while until I got onto my next film, which was even heavier, I think. But this wasn't heavy. This was a story that I think I totally, absolutely related.
Right. This question is for both of you. कि ये जो topic है, जैसे as it's written over here, शादी license नहीं है, right? So it is कहीं ना कहीं this reminds me of Amitabh Bachchan's movie Pink. वहाँ भी था no means no. Though it didn't deal with marital rape, but it dealt with the concept of consent, right? So I want to understand, was it like loosely inspired by the movie, or was the concept taken from the movie? How was it?
No, the concept is not taken from that movie. The concept, if I may say so, is a show, which is a show already made in Kolkata. It's an adaptation, official adaptation of the show called Sampurna. So that was adapted beautifully by Devinidhi Sharma, and we did it. So yeah.
And talking about marital rape, this entire जो हम movie is extremely disturbing in today's. और हम आजकल अगर हम surrounding भी देखें तो rape इस इंसिडेंट को ही या इस हादसे को ही इतना strongly नहीं कुछ कर पा रहे हमारे यहाँ. So when you talk about marital rape in a surrounding where it's still traditional, हम कितना भी बोले progress कर चुके हैं ये बोले, but अभी भी traditional concept, traditional family, traditional concept, इससे हम लोगों को family में ही समझ नहीं पा रहे हो, या अगर कोई लड़की अपने parents को ही बताए ना तो उनको समझ नहीं आता है कि marital rape क्या होता है, right? So how do you plan to break through this concept through this entire?
I feel what the show has very successfully done is that, you know, there's no concept of good or bad. कि इसने ऐसा किया तो ये गलत है, इसने ऐसा किया तो ये सही है. I feel to make people aware, and you know, the nicest people that you have around probably are not aware that their approach is not right. हो सकता है ऐसा, तो अवेयरनेस डालना, कहना कि भाई द फ्रीडम ऑफ चॉइस शुड बी एवरीबॉडीज. हर इंसान को एक हक होना चाहिए, चाहे आप रिश्ते में हो, चाहे शादी में हो, चाहे आप एक फैमिली में रहते हो, चाहे काम पर हो. मेरे पास एक हक होना चाहिए कहने का कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है. आई थिंक दैट समवेयर काइंड ऑफ इक्वलाइजेस एवरीथिंग in subtle ways or not so subtle ways. So this is a very, very beautiful story, told very strongly, and I think this is something that everyone should take home, that you need to be aware, you should need to be sensitive. बस उतना ही है, और इसका कोई ना कोई हिस्सा कहानी का, किसी भी किरदार का, आई एम श्योर आप अपने साथ लेकर जाएंगे और कहेंगे यार इससे ना मुझे थोड़ा फ़र्क पड़ा. वही कहना है बस.
कमलेश इस कैरेक्टर में एज व्यूअर्स हमें दिव्या कितनी दिखाई?
कमलेश में सीक्रेट है. मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता चला, बट आई फील वी ऑल हैव अ कमलेश इन अस, वी ऑल ऑफ अस. You know, when you grow up, you're naive, you're innocent, you're surrounded by so much love, protected, pampered, and then life hits you. Then you realize कि मुझे choices क्या करनी है इस situation में. That is every woman's story, that is every man's story. वो होता है, ज़्यादातर महिलाओं के साथ होगा, but सबके साथ होता है. तो I think there's a Kamlesh in all of us. If you see the scenes that we've shot, they're all so diverse from each other. You see her total naivety, you see her insecurities, you see her cuteness, you see her love with her husband, and then you see how life struck. And then what happens to a woman and how she's capable of choosing what she needs to do. And that is like holding somebody's hand in sheer sisterhood.
So, ma'am, further asking you, we've seen you from playing a very, villainous role in Raja Ki Aayegi Barat se leke Milkha Bhag Milkha Bhag Mein, then Delhi 6 mein, and now with Churaiya, right? When we as viewers see your journey, it's been, oh my god, ECG wala line nahi hota jisme in terms of thrill and excitement and the kind of characters that you have picked up. I want to know, how do you reflect on your journey?
Exactly that, and that is life. This is life. It should be like that. You should be living, you should be enjoying and breathing each moment that you're absorbing from people you meet, from the work you do. I think for me the mantra is, when you hear a role, just jump up. Just you have to be jumping on your sofa and saying shoot pick up ja rahe hain. So to have that little nervous energy, to be excited about something. I think I've been here for 30 years, and you do, and one thing I feel I've earned is the love of the people. Wherever I go, I feel they feel I'm one of them, and they feel ये हमारी है. And for any actor, for any person, that can be, I think, the biggest reward. So yeah, I feel that journey has been that, because I have tried to rediscover myself, to keep myself on the edge, to not be complacent and say, hey, this is my comfort zone, बस ये कर लिया, ऐसे ही रोल करूँगी. वो फिर उसमें मज़ा नहीं है. It's nice to excite yourself and your audience in the bargain.
Right. When we talk about the show as well, when it deals with marital rape and very sensitive issues, कहीं ना कहीं अगर हम real life में भी देखें, real life में आसपास देखें, तो आजकल the concept of I would not put it this way. It is basically कि women these days are extremely strong and they know what they want. A lot of women, I won't talk about every, a lot of women know what they want, right? So इस चक्कर में, इस scenario में, what happens is they do not find the right kind of partner. I want to ask you this, in today's era, how difficult or easy is it to stay single, especially ऐसे कहते हैं कि एक man के बिना woman is incomplete. आज भी progress वाले environment में हम ये कहते हैं. तो आप, I would really want to know, because you've lived your life on your own terms all these years. So, what is your take on this?
Even if I had a partner, even if I'm single, I enjoy my life, and that's what matters. I think हर एक की कहानी अलग होती है. To say, generalize it and say, partner हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, single हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, किसी के लिए कोई अच्छी बात नहीं. Whatever works for you is great. So this works for me. I'm happy about it. If somebody's got a great partner, works for them. If somebody doesn't have a good partner, maybe whatever they need to do about it. You cannot generalize somebody's life. You can't. You can't just say, you know, how did you make your choices? My life was such, and I enjoy it. So, I mean, I'm proud of what I decided to do, and I think I've always been open to life for what it flows and what it brings. So yeah, that's that.
Right. An extension to the same question, people also say कि जब तक until unless a woman doesn't embrace motherhood, वो incomplete रहता है. वो the entire life of a woman. Even in today's, अब कितने ही education has nothing to do with progression is what I feel.
That's conditioning, no? That's a conditioning that comes, and that's what you kind of, with life, with the patriarchy, kind of somewhere have to break those norms. I think they say so because ek to wo, I don't know if you'd want to add something to this, but
it's conditioning.
It's,
the right
yeah.
word is that. And as you mentioned, कि people say, right? That's the whole idea.
हमें खुद की जिंदगी देखनी चाहिए. What works, yeah.
People say, because I think that's where our show also is trying to say about what people say. Fine, let's start a discussion. Let's start a conversation. That's it.
Right. We've seen you a lot on social media these days. You're very actively putting up so many stories related to personal anecdotes, professional anecdotes, and all of that. So I wanted to know that currently social media influencer ये बहुत बड़ा boom है, जो कि उसके बेसिस पे काफी कास्टिंग होती है. ये आप दोनों के लिए सवाल है. Yeah. So I just want to know कि ये जो influencer market आया है, and a lot of casting is based done on the basis of how many followers do you have on social media. What is your take as a director and as an actor in today's era? Do you feel the pressure of being active on social media constantly because of this pattern?
That's what I'm saying. For me, the mantra is listen, whatever works for me, I will do that. I always have walked an opposite path. So all the posts that you see are the posts that I feel I really enjoy. That's a part of me. That's a part of my work life. That's a part of my personal life. जो मुझे लगता है मुझे share करना मैं करती हूँ. And thankfully, I'm not really trolled. नहीं होता ऐसा मेरे साथ ज़्यादा. जो होता है उसको मैं कहती हूँ जा तू तुझे मैंने ignore किया. लेकिन to come on a serious note, I was on a jury for these kind of awards for the social media for influencers, and you know, you realize you're very limited to your work, to your thing. मेरा event, मेरी shoot, मैं. लेकिन उसके बियॉन्ड आप जाते हैं और आप देखते हैं कि एक हाउसवाइफ ने अपने कुकिंग स्किल से अपना एक पॉडकास्ट बना लिया. आप देखते हैं कि एक ट्रैवल ब्लॉगर जिसको कोई कंपनी नहीं मिल रही थी जाने को साथ में, वो अपनी दोस्त को लेकर चली गई साथ में, वो ट्रैवल ब्लॉगर बन गई. तो देखिए वो अपनी ज़िंदगियों का क्या करें, एंड हाउ दे वर थैंकिंग देयर फैमिलीज. थैंक यू फॉर द सपोर्ट दैट यू लेट मी फ्लाई. चिड़ैया बनने दिया आपने मुझे. वो बड़ा ज़रूरी है कि आपका कोई हाथ थामे और कहे उड़. वो चाहे आपका हस्बैंड हो, चाहे आपकी सास हो, चाहे आपकी माँ हो, दोस्त हो, जो भी हो. I think you need somebody who kind of gives you wings to fly, and this is the time right now for that. और वो जो आप following की बात कर रही हैं और casting, उस पे I think he would be a better person to answer. But I do feel casting should be done if a person suits the role, influencer or not. But the rest, I'm sure he'll be able to throw more light.
I think it's a brilliant opportunity for a lot of talent. Okay, it's a brilliant platform. How you use it, I have read somewhere कि ना सबका अपना अपना सत्य.
जी
so
बिल्कुल.
what you mentioned ना, whatever works. So I think if it works brilliantly, if it working for you, why not? As far as casting is concerned, again I would say that as a director, my thing is to cast for the right role, the right actor. Even if to find that actor who's not on social media, that is my job, primary job. Okay, and if I find a new talent on social media, why not? So I think it's again, you know, it's a brilliant platform and opportunity. How people use it is where the question comes about use abuse.
Right.
So yeah.
Ma'am, as you mentioned previously that this Kamlesh is one of your finest characters, right? And in your 30 years of your career in Bollywood, apart from Kamlesh, if there has been any character that has stayed with you even today, that's still very close to your heart, which would that be?
I kind of reflect that with the love of the audience that comes by, and that has come through, I think, films like Veer Zara, films like Bhag Milkha, Badlapur. I've received a lot of love for all these. Rosie, Stanley Ka Dabba. Sharma ji ki beti, all these I think have been films that have been very close to me, and I don't take up work I don't enjoy. It's just how much you enjoyed more than the other. I guess I like to make choices, and I like to say I want to be on a set that I think I'm going to smile and laugh and be the role, and have people who kind of nurture you on the set and say, hey, this is another feather. So yeah, that's very important.
Add to this kind of prolific work she's done, you should also kind of get and see and experience it for real, the spoken word festival where she talks about her life. I think that's the most amazing story you will get to see live performed by her.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Coming back to the show, I just want to know that do you personally feel कि marital rapes पे as a society there needs to be strict amendments and laws?
You asking me? Okay. Okay. So I'll take it first.
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
So the idea over here is, as a storyteller, as a filmmaker, is to tell a story in the most honest way, to start discussions, because those are what you asked the question is, those are for the other people to look into and do. As a filmmaker, the idea was to just tell a story of a family, okay, which will resonate to people, which will make them ask questions to each other, which will make them discuss. And I think there, touch wood, people would see it as it comes out, but we have successfully tried to do that in the best possible way. So I think that was my aim as a filmmaker, and that's what I did.
I feel when you see a film, it's a very, very strong visual medium. If I see a film of an old man, a retired person, maybe ignored or something, I will leave that theatre, but that film won't leave me. I'll go out, and I promise you, in that entire crowd of people, you will notice that one old man. You will. वो होगा आपके साथ, और आप जब घर जाएंगे शायद आप एक एक्स्ट्रा जब भी अपने दादाजी को, अपने नाना जी को देंगे, क्योंकि आप एक फिल्म देख कर आए। यही मोटिव है एक शो का जो कुछ कहना चाहता है कि ये कहानी है, ये एक महिला की कहानी है और एक फैमिली की कहानी है. हाउ यू परसीव इट, गो स्प्रेड इट, गो बी अवेयर. जस्ट शायद वो मेरे लिए ही हो कहानी, वो इट जस्ट होल्ड्स अ हैंड. And that, I think, in our society is the most important thing. Hold a hand vis-a-vis a visual medium, vis-a-vis just hearing somebody, vis-a-vis just felicitating someone and saying, hey, go, I'm there.
Yeah, and towards the last question, if you want to tell viewers why should they watch the show, तो अभी तक तो आपने पूरे इंटरव्यू में बोल ही दिया है. Great question होता है कि in case if you want to like 3 reasons, एक करके आप दे सकते हो. 1, 2, 3.
I don't have the 3 reasons, but I have a reason. The reason is that this is a story which I've told with all my heart, and I think it's for everyone to watch it, because I think somewhere Kamlesh will resonate not only with the women, but some learnings for the men also, and not only Kamlesh, the other characters also in the series would say, talk, and kind of create a discussion for the men and women both. So I think the reason for you to watch Raya is that we had made it with all our honesty, and it's a story which should be told, and we've done that successfully. That's the reason.
These days, I think we are on a dearth of great storytelling. अच्छी कहानियाँ, अच्छी तरह से कही गई कहानियाँ, अच्छी तरह से निभाई गई कहानियाँ. ये बड़ा रैरिटी है कि तीनों चीज़ें आपको एक साथ मिलें. लोग कहते रहते हैं कहाँ इस फिल्म की कहानी कहाँ गई, इसकी कहानी कहाँ गई. सो आई वुड जस्ट से इस शो की कहानी है, और बहुत सुंदर कहानी है, और बहुत कमाल से कही गई है. एंड फॉर मी पर्सनली एज एन एक्टर, जैसा मैंने कहा, दिस इज़ अ रोल आई हैव रियली एन्जॉयड. तो ऑफ कोर्स इट वुड बी माई थिंग दैट प्लीज़ जस्ट गो वॉच इट for what it stands for what it is, and what it has to say, and take something back home.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.